blood moon, walk around in the garden. Struck me straight through. I waited up for the harvest. Like I was gonna be something.
You've been looking for safety in places it should be, but somehow it couldn't be found. You've been thrown in the deep end, drowning in quicksand, but I know that you'll make it out. It feels like forever, but it's gonna get better. Hold on, hold on. I know you've been fighting so long. Stay strong, stay strong. It's the darkest before the dawn. Hold on. There's a strength in your spirit you don't even know yet, but you're gonna see it in time. Keep your heart open, even if it gets broken, 'cause that's how the hope gets inside. It feels like forever, but it's gonna get better. Hold on, hold on. I know you've been fighting so long. Stay strong, stay strong. It's the darkest before the dawn. There is grace for today and more than enough for tomorrow. So hold on, hold on. I know you've been fighting so long. Stay strong, stay strong. It's the darkest before the dawn. Believe me, you're not too far gone. Hold on.